Hello and welcome to Engineering Simple. Today I would like to briefly talk about Euler's identity, which is another important concept in electrical engineering, especially when dealing with circuit analysis. So before we talk about Euler's identity, let's just refresh some simple math regarding exponential operations. So if you have a quantity e to the power of x times e to the power of y, it's equal to e to the power of quantity x plus y, and e is just exponential. Then if you have e to the power of x divided by e to the power of y, it's the same as e to the power of x times e to the power of negative y, which is equal to e to the power of quantity x minus y. So now let's introduce Euler's identity. If you have e to the power of j times theta, and as was mentioned in the previous video, j is a complex quantity such that j squared is equal to -1. So e to the power of j times theta, theta is an angle, is equal to cosine theta plus j times sine theta. Now let's assume we have two quantities, e to the power of j times theta 1, the whole thing times e to the power of j theta 2, which is equal to, if we apply the first exponential arithmetic, so with e to the power of x times e to the power of y is equal to e to the power of x plus y. So e to the power of j theta 1 times e to the power of j theta 2 is equal to e to the power of j theta 1 plus j theta 2, that's quantity, which is equal to e to the power of j times quantity theta 1 plus theta 2. It's just factoring out the term j, which is equal to cosine theta 1 plus theta 2 plus j times sine theta 1 plus theta 2, which is just Euler's identity. Now, division of exponential quantities. E to the power of j theta 1 divided by e to the power of j theta 2 is equal to e to the power of j theta 1 minus j theta 2, which is equal to e to the power of j times quantity theta 1 minus theta 2, which is equal to cosine quantity theta 1 minus theta 2 plus j times sine quantity theta 1 minus theta 2. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Engineering Simple. And if you have any questions or would like to know more about a certain topic, you can email me at the email you see on the screen. Thank you and have a good day.